Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. This one is a little bit of a motorcycle unboxing, and it's yet another quad lock product. As you know, I'm a big fan of quad lock, and I've had their stuff since day one, since I've had my bike. Actually, I ran a Ram mount for a little bit, which, you know, we don't talk about that. But anyway, quad lock is my choice of mount, and I have the wireless charger on my bike. I also have the dampener. I have everything wired up, and this is the next step, because as it stands right now, my battery is directly wired to the charger, and I have to press the little button on the bottom of the wireless charger to turn it on and off, because otherwise it will drain your battery. And another thing is I have a Invoxia GPS tracker in my bike, which the battery, I have a link below for you guys, but the battery lasts, you know, for a couple of weeks on that thing. And in order to extend the battery life of the GPS tracker, I have it set so it only updates every 30 minutes. However, using this thing and a handy little USB splitter like this, I'll be able to wire my charger, you know, obviously, boom. And then I'll be able to wire my Invoxia. And that way it'll be charged every single time I run my bike, and it will be constantly topped off, and I'll be able to have updates every 5 minutes. So that's nice. And these are obviously not waterproof connectors, so I will put some duct tape around it, some Gorilla tape, so they will be waterproof and it'll be fine. But it's enough of that. Let's see what's inside this box. And I started opening it. I swear to God, I'm not a savage. I didn't do this. But long story short, the box actually came damaged like this, which is okay. So let's open it up. So it's actually a fast charger, 18 watt max power. Not bad, not bad. And it has a surge protector and all of that. So inside of the box, you know, we have the little packaging. And then, first of all, this smells like some crazy plastic. Holy cow. All right, so we got small instructions here. Basically, connect it to the battery, plug it in, bada bing, bada boom, zip tie it, whatnot, easy. So let's see what we got here. Let's open it up. Fun. All right, so first and foremost, we got a couple of zip ties. How many we got here? We got 5 zip ties and a little, I believe, a rubber cap for the USB port. What is that? Oh, interesting. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. So that way, when I plug this in, look at that. That's adorable. So I'll be able to put this over this, just like so, plug it in, and have it be waterproof. That is a beautiful thing. Ooh, I should buy a couple more of these. That is such a handy little rubber thingy. I gotta, because basically the tape that I discussed, this could go over it. That is a gorgeous situation. Interesting. Okay, so far I'm impressed. Nice zip ties and a nice little rubber plug thing. So we got our piece of paper here. Warning. Auto mode, this device will remain on and after engine has been shut off until battery voltage drops below 12.5. In auto mode, the device will remain on after the engine has been shut off. So yeah, so that's the mode we're gonna keep it on, actually, because, you know, 12.5 is all you need to start a battery. I mean, start a motorcycle. Anyway, so here we go. So this right here is a piece that I am going to swap out, because my bike already has a, you know, I think SAE connector like this, because this is how I actually operate my little motorcycle pump, even though I have a portable now as well. But yeah, so this attaches to your battery, nice and easy, these leads. And then in here, you have a fuse, I believe. What's happening here? I want to be able to see it. Oh, there we go. What do we got? 3. Tiny little fuse, but you don't need much more. So, gorgeous. So we'll do that, and then these two connect, and it's a beautiful thing. Gorgeous. So, all right. And here is just like a simple little thingy. I like the little grooves they put in for zip ties. So that way you can like zip tie it nice and solid, which I definitely will do. I'll connect it on the side like this with the switch pointing up. Plus I have a trellis on my bike, so it's a gorgeous thing. And this thing is entirely too long, so I'll have to like bundle it up and tuck it under the gas tank. And then, yes, so this will go out, this will be plugged into it, and then this will live on top. And it's gonna be a beautiful thing. All right, so let's get to the bike and install this thing and see how it works. All right, so now we're down at the bike, and we've been having this wonderful, gorgeous weather in New York City. It's damn near November. It's only like a day or two from November. And we got freaking 70-some degrees. It's gorgeous. All right, so once the seat is removed, we got our little prop thingy that will be holding up the gas tank unless I flip it all the way back. Either way, gotta unlock the bike so we can turn the bars. There we go. Unhook the gas tank, just like so. Boom. And now we got the battery. All right, so here we got our connector. I do have a fuse already. Let's see what we got. I just want to make sure that no gas is pouring out. Nope, seems fine. Let's see. So we got this. We got that. Where's the little cable goes? So the very first step is to connect these. There we go. Tighten the negative. Let me make sure it's not bending or crimping, just like so. Next, we connect the positive. Tuck this in between here. There we go. I think we're catching it now. But we'll push it to the side like this. The idea is that everything clears the gas tank and it's tucked away. And it doesn't interfere with other fun things. So now the plan is to Velcro or zip tie, I guess, one more time. All right, so in the end, I had to rethink my whole setup. I had to rip everything off of here because obviously the gas tank was pinching it. So I strapped it to the side like this. The switch is turned to on. I got the wires tucked in over here. Everything is running to the charging port. And I got an extra USB that's going to my Invoxia. And for now, I just strapped it right here, just for this video, but obviously I'm gonna tuck it in somewhere else. And we'll see. And hopefully, my only concern is that Invoxia is showing that it's charging all the time, whether it's on or auto. So hopefully it's not gonna drain my battery, but time will tell. And if it does drain my battery, then I will just jump it and remove it and go back to the original setup, because why not? Let's turn this baby on to make sure everything is indeed working. It's not charging, so I hit the button. I actually think it has to like, there it is. Now it's charging. Super strange, because I feel like the actual battery voltage has to go up.